Welcome back to my channel. Now I want to make the clothes hanger. Okay guys, to make clothes hanger, we need hanger, plastic bottle, scissors, isolation, glue, string. The next, how to make a clothes hanger. The first, we cut the plastic bottle 15 sections. And then wrap the strap on the ring of the glasses one by one according to the desired amount. Pin the isolation on the rope. After that, wrap the hanger. Try all the closets. Close part so neat. And then the ring of the glasses and the hanger closet and the hanger cloth and the scissors composing the ring of the glasses in the bottom corners of the hangers. Use isolation to save up the side of the ring. Ta-da! Finish! These clothes hangers. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget subscribe, comment, and like, please. Good luck and goodbye.